Hello, my name is Katie St. Norris with St. Norris Wealth Management, and in this video we're going to talk about general tax filing mistakes to avoid when filing your taxes. Let's get going. So one of the first mistakes is filing before you receive all necessary forms. General guideline for your forms, they all have to be mailed out by January 31st, for the exception of 1099-Bs, that's your Sullivan investments, 1099 miscellaneous for attorney fees, and for K1s for partnership income. The deadline for the issuers to mail those forms is February 15th. On average, you should receive it somewhere February 20th for sure. The only one exception is the K1, which is income from the partnership, and it doesn't have any true set required date. The next common mistake to avoid is not verifying your personal information. On any form, you want to double check your personal information, such as your name, your social security number, and your address. Also, verify any information that you previously put in the system from a prior year to make sure it's still accurate. Another mistake is not putting information on your return exactly as it appears on your reporting form for W-2, 1099s, for your wages, dividends. You should put that information in really carefully. Another tip is always use brackets to show your negative numbers instead of a minus sign, which is a very common mistake. The reason is that the IRS computers can only recognize the brackets. So say you have 5,000, and if it's negative number, you have to use the brackets. Do not do this. Missing the deadline is the next mistake you want to avoid. Your tax filing deadline every year is April 15th. Unless that day falls on the weekend, then the deadline is the following business day. What happens if you don't file on time? You're basically going to be charged a late filing fee. And if you due for a refund, you're not going to be charged a fee, but the IRS will hold your refund until you actually file your return. And if you don't pay your tax bill on time, the IRS will charge you an additional compound fee. If you're not ready to file by the deadline, which is April 15th, you always have an option of filing an extension, which is Form 4868. But you have to file your extension by the same filing date of April 15th. And if you owe any taxes, you have to pay your taxes due along with the extension form. Next very common mistake is wrong bank account information if you're expecting your refund being directly deposited into your bank account. The best way to avoid that mistake is to bring canceled check to your tax preparer, so he or she can take the information directly from that check and reduce the probability of mistake. Thank you for watching this video. And remember, always double check your personal information. Bye.